Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. Today we're featuring something new, something exciting, something classic. It's new for 2020, number 37 out of 250. Are we there yet? Instead of are we there yet? So as you see, it's a little RV. So, the series comes from Tune, number 1 out of 10. I recently reviewed one of the other classic cars that I had. They're from RV from Tune. So anyways, this is another one. And let's open up a little bit and review. So let's read this real quick. Extreme proportion, over the top style, and cartoon to the max. So there you go. I know I reviewed Chevy Nova, I believe, recently. A little light blue color, which I'm going to send a link of that also to this down below. That way you can watch it. But anyways, let's look at it. It looks like 6 wheels, pretty nice looking. They're just slightly, the wheels don't touch the middle ones. So no steering wheel. Instead of that, look at it inside. They have that little pole that holds the 3 pieces together, the bottom, the interior, and the frame. So this is a O-rim. I forgot what's the name of it. This is a anyways, it's an aerial disc in the back with a 5-spoke wheel. Up front, nice little chrome. As you see, if you look close, what does it remind you? It reminds me of a custom Ford 1950s Ford pickup truck, Ford F-100s. Here's a picture of it. So they kind of modify, instead of making a pickup, they made it look like a Volkswagen Buggy, and that's why in the back it looks like a Volkswagen Bug with a sunroof, a moonroof, tinted windows all the way around. Nice little chrome touch, since it's all classic cars. Back then it was popular with chrome. Сейчас. Hold on, they want you to show something. This is from Valentine's, guys. Посмотри сюда, Эльдар. There you go. Anyways, I think it would be better if they made actual wheels instead of fake wheels in here. I think it would probably work better if they do that. I don't know, guys, but your suggestion. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Also, speaking of that, I created a Facebook page, which I'm going to send a link in the descriptions. So, once I do that, guys, feel free to follow me on Facebook. I might open one on Instagram also a little bit later. But meanwhile, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. And see you next time, guys, for more videos to come. That's why kids were laughing all about it. This is one of the playroom, extra rooms that we have, so that's what I use for videos. Anyways, guys, sorry for all the distraction, but anyways, let's look at it one more time. Nice red color, white and yellow stripes with the camping Hot Wheel road tripping sticker on it. Gotta have that Hot Wheel logo. Pearl white camper in the back of the trailer. And just a heads up, there will be coming out also with another color. It's going to be a turquoise color with I think it's going to be like a gray color, the camper. So if you love this car, feel free to look for it, and they'll have another color coming out sometime soon. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Facebook as of now. And once I get my Instagram, I'll post the link down below to you. Thank you.